Welcome to the beginner's guide on how to sugar wax at home for smooth skin without the salon prices. Want smooth skin without expensive salon appointments? Today I'm showing you how sugar waxing works, why it's gentler on the skin than traditional waxing, and how to safely do it at home. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is sugar waxing, also known as sugaring? Sugar waxing is a natural hair removal method made from just sugar, lemon, and water. Unlike hard wax, sugar paste sticks mainly to dead skin cells and hair, not deeply to live skin tissue, which may significantly reduce irritation for some people. Understanding how hair removal works helps explain why sugaring provides longer-lasting results. Hair grows from tiny structures under the skin called hair follicles. When you shave, the hair is cut at the surface, but sugar waxing removes the entire hair shaft from the follicle opening. Removing the entire hair from the root is why the skin stays smoother longer compared to shaving. Preparation is the secret to successful sugaring. It ensures the paste grips the hair effectively. First, cleanse the skin to remove oil, sweat, and bacteria. Then lightly dry the area using powder so the sugar paste can grip the hair better instead of sliding on moisture. A crucial tip: hair should be about rice grain length for the best results. Too short, and the paste won't grip. Now for the application technique, which is the most important part of sugaring. Apply the sugar paste against the direction of hair growth. This helps the paste wrap around the hair shaft properly. Then flick the paste off quickly in the direction of hair growth to reduce unnecessary tension on the skin. Always remember to keep the skin tight while removing the wax. This technique reduces skin pulling and maximizes hair removal efficiency. Many people find sugar waxing less painful because the paste is used at a lower temperature and removed with the natural direction of hair growth, potentially reducing follicle trauma and irritation. To help you succeed, let's go over the biggest mistakes beginners make. The biggest beginner mistakes include applying wax on wet skin and using hair that's too short for the paste to grip. Also avoid pulling upward instead of close to the skin and repeatedly waxing the same area too many times. Proper aftercare is essential since your follicles remain temporarily open immediately after sugaring. Avoid heavy sweating, tight clothing, hot showers, or harsh products for at least 24 hours while your skin recovers. Use gentle, fragrance-free moisturizers to help support the skin barrier. If done correctly, sugar waxing can leave your skin smoother for weeks. Would you try sugaring at home? Comment below and subscribe for more body care science videos.